welcome back to our channel MK Computer Solutions. Is in the channel in Uganda. It's all about computer solutions. So one is on computer Josanze challenge na nayo. Leave it in the comments to give you a solution. Today I will talk about USB drives. If you have your pen drive, thumb drive, USB drive that is showing empty space, but in actual sense there is data on it. So but for now we have unsafe injection from your computer, malware or virus infection, natural or bytes is hidden. Some people might hide your files. So for the purpose of this video, tugenda kutwala the longest way so that everybody can understand what they're actually doing. Go to start, all apps, scroll down to Windows system, select command prompt, right click, all, run as an command has to be run as an administrator. So after reaching this part, so we type RIB, that's the attribute, dash H space dash R space dash S space / S / D X, where X is the value of your drive letter. X is the value of your drive letter. Okay, colon, / star dot star, and you hit enter. After that, you should be able to see all the files that were hidden either by the virus or somebody hid your files. One option endala, you can use recovery software, but for that one it will be also discussed in our upcoming tutorials. So keep tuned, subscribe, like, share so that you don't miss out. So katugenda kufuna some tips at the end. Esokera ddala, always safely remove your device from the computer. Follow the proper methods of ejecting. Echirala, before you delete any file, verify that you really want to delete the file or you don't need it. Computer is check and keep backup of all critical files on either local or cloud storage. Files are necessarily essential and vital to use another single partner as important to your life. Take a drive, standard drive or cloud. Last but not least, there are different versions of free antiviruses, so you can get either of those free ones, then you can install it and you avoid your computer to be attacked by a virus. Okay, alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like the video and it helps you, and keep subscribing, keep sharing and keep liking. See you guys in our next tutorial. Bye bye.